Hey everyone, welcome to Collision TV. Today I'm going to be talking about how a rural community in Armenia built their own internet. In Ararat, an area of mountains in Armenia, is the settlement of Shaghab. It is a little village with more than 170 families living there. Agriculture and animal husbandry are the village's primary sources of revenue. However, a lot of young people have recently departed Shaghab in search of employment in bigger cities. Lack of internet connectivity is one of the reasons young people are leaving Shaghab. Until recently, the town could only access the internet through cell phone data, which was slow and expensive. This made it challenging for people to maintain relationships with friends and family, do online commerce, and complete schooling. Shaghab residents made the decision to develop their own fiber optic network in 2019. They were motivated by the accomplishments of other local community networks, like the Giphy.net network in Barcelona, Spain. Shaghab residents banded together to generate money for the undertaking. They also had assistance from the Internet Society, the Armenian government, and other groups. The fiber optic network was finally finished in 2021 after 2 years of arduous work. Every residence and establishment in the hamlet has access to high-speed internet thanks to the network. The village has benefited from the new internet connection. Businesses can now run more effectively, students may complete their education online, and consumers can keep in touch with their friends and family. Other Armenian villages have developed their own networks as a result of the success of the Shaghab community network. In more than 100 towns around the nation, community networks are now being built. Fundraising was the first stage in creating the community network. Shaghab residents organized fundraising activities like concerts and bake sales. Additionally, they submitted funding requests to several agencies, including the Armenian government. The network design came after the funding had been secured. In order to create a network that would serve the needs of the community, the residents of Shaghab collaborated with engineers. Building the network was the last phase. The residents of Shaghab collaborated to put up the machinery and install the fiber optic line. The village has benefited from the new internet connection. Nowadays, students can complete their assignments online. They have access to learning sites like Wikipedia and Khan Academy. They can also work together with students from other countries. The new internet connection is also helping the village's businesses. By utilizing online tools like customer relationship management and accountancy software, they may now function more effectively. By marketing their goods and services online, they can also reach a larger audience. The village residents now find it simpler to keep in touch with friends and family thanks to the new internet connection. They can communicate with friends and family who reside throughout the world using social media. They can see one another's faces through video chat as well. Other Armenian villages have developed their own networks as a result of the success of the Shaghab community network. In more than 100 towns around the nation, community networks are now being built. The use of community networks can help reduce the digital divide. Communities that would not otherwise have access to it get it thanks to them. Additionally, they contribute to the growth of the economy and the creation of jobs. An example of a successful community network is Shaghab. It has demonstrated that rural areas can create their own high-speed internet networks. The network has benefited the community and motivated other communities to create their own networks. Community networks have a promising future. They have the capacity to bridge the digital divide and promote community growth. I hope you enjoyed seeing this film about how a remote Armenian town created its own internet. Please leave a comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.